This is a collection of items that I normally use during my electronics and electrical repairs. Now, multimeter, measuring voltage, current, resistance to allow me to deduce what component is failed. Safety glasses help protect my eyes when I'm looking at situations where there are flying particles. For example, removing shattered screen guards to protect my eye from flying fragments of plastic. Now we have the tin snips. These are actually used for cutting sheet metal and tin up to 0.8 millimeters. It is versatile because it has a high mechanical advantage, and those are the tin snips. Then we have ourselves the Phillips screwdriver tip, and this is for opening large electronic devices such as TVs, home theaters, and hoofers. Then we have ourselves toothbrush, which we use for cleaning our electronic motherboards, and this is in conjunction with what we would call isopropyl alcohol, which is here in this container. Now let's go to the electrical tape. This is for insulating wires because it has a high dielectric constant to prevent them from shorting with each other, and that keeps your wiring safe for the user. Then we have ourselves what we would call pliers. I normally use this for cutting wire and also stripping wires and also holding components as I solder them together, but this is very important device to have. Then we will talk of the soldering paste. This is for soldering surface mount devices. This paste is applied using a hot air gun, and that hot air gun simply blows hot air at the temperature above the melting point of this solder, and that is 183 degrees. Very important device. Having talked about the solder paste, we have actually solder wire. The solder wire normally is because it's made out of solder, and solder is used to join electronic components, melt it, and it shall combine them together. It's the best alloy of tin and lead in the ratio of 63 to 70 to 37%.